Our planet is incredible in its diversity. Different environmental conditions produce various characteristics in creatures of all shapes and sizes. Some evolved to live in the dark, gloomy depths of the ocean, while others survive in the dry, seemingly inhospitable deserts. And there's plenty more to discover, particularly in the oceans. Scientists estimate that there are anywhere from a few 100,000 to over 10 million new species waiting to be discovered in our ocean's depths. Here are the top 10 world's most bizarre animals. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Great Potu. The great Potu is a carnivorous bird that lives mostly in tropical America and is a master of camouflage. The great Potu blends in with its surroundings by imitating a tree stump or branch as it patiently waits for unsuspecting prey. It doesn't even open its eyes to reveal itself. Because of tiny openings beneath its eyelids, this nocturnal bird can see even when its eyes are closed, allowing it to detect even the smallest amount of movement. Number 9. Bird-dropping spider. This is a spider that resembles a bird dropping. The bird-dropping spider, which spends the day huddled on a leaf, uses mimicry to fool would-be predators into thinking they're a fresh pile of poop. However, the deception does not stop there. This cunning creature will stretch out its forelegs at night and release a pheromone that attracts unfortunate male moths looking for a mate. Instead of getting lucky, the moth is grabbed, providing a tasty meal for the spider. Number 8. Ghost shark. When scientists discovered this newly hatched baby ghost shark off the coast of New Zealand's South Island in February 2022, it quickly went viral due to its unusual appearance. These deep-sea inhabitants live at depths ranging from 400 feet to 6,600 feet, where water temperatures are near freezing. Their ghoulish name comes from their dead eyes and large wing-like fins, which make them better suited to flying. Despite their name, ghost sharks are not members of the shark family. Rather, they're a type of fish with a skeleton made out of cartilage rather than bone. A low-density skeleton, such as cartilage, is essential for life at depth because it will not collapse under increased pressure. Number 7. Pink Fairy Armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is a cross between a fuzzy caterpillar and a lobster. It is the smallest species of armadillo, measuring around 13 centimeters in length and fitting in the palm of your hand. It is known as a sand swimmer because of its ability to quickly navigate the subterranean sands. It lives in the sandy plains and dry scrublands of South America. Their distinctive pink color is caused by blood being pumped into their shell for thermoregulation, which assists them in maintaining a constant core temperature in the hot, arid climate. Number 6. Starnosed Mole. The Starnosed Mole, an animal geologist, can detect seismic waves with 25,000 sensory receptors in the fleshy tentacles around its nose. As the only mole that lives in swamps and marshes, the Starnosed Mole may be able to detect faint electrical signals from aquatic prey. It can also smell underwater by blowing air bubbles and sucking them back into its nose, making it only one of 2 species that can do so. It is also one of the world's fastest eaters, consuming food in less than a quarter of a second. Number 5. Paku. The Paku, which is frequently misidentified as a piranha, is an omnivore that consumes both plants and meat. Their square, straight teeth are primarily used to crush nuts and fruits that fall from the trees above into Amazonian rivers and streams. But beware, swimmers! These nut-crunching fish have also been dubbed testicle-eating fish or ball-cutter fish because they are said to mistake human testicles for their favorite snacks. Number 4. Redlipped Batfish. The red-lipped batfish waddles along the seafloor on modified fins, looking ready for a night on the town. This adaptation, like many other strange animals, may be used by males to attract a mate, though more research is needed. The fish also has a fleshy appendage on the top of its head called an elysium, which contains a chemical-emitting lure that is thought to help it attract the small fish and invertebrates on which it feeds. Number 3. Mantis Shrimp. These fearsome little creatures have spring-loaded punches that allow them to attack with a force of a .22 caliber bullet at speeds of up to 23 meters per second. It has the strongest known animal strike with a force around 100 times its weight. If that isn't enough, these strange animals are even older than dinosaurs. Number 2. Pacific Barreleye Fish. The Pacific Barreleye fish, also known as a spookfish, has ultra-sensitive eyes that are, unsurprisingly, barrel-shaped tubular structures that are typically directed upward. It more resembles a marine submersible than a fish. This strange animal can see through the top of its head to identify the silhouettes of overhead prey by turning its head upward. Number 1. Penis Snake. Little is known about the species, and there are only 2 preserved specimens from its discovery in the late 1800s to its rediscovery in 2011 in the same region. It is the largest known caecilian and the second largest lungless tetrapod, breathing through its skin rather than its lungs. It is estimated that they can live for 5 to 10 years. Unlike most caecilians that burrow, most scientists agree that the penis snake, like other lungless tetrapods, is aquatic. It has poor eyesight. Their eyes are barely visible beneath the skin, but a keen sense of smell that it uses to navigate. Because they live in Amazonian rivers with poor visibility, this combination is ideal. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.